Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agarwal. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I will be telling you 7 important remedies for slugs and snails control in your garden if they are disturbing you much. These are the snails you see I have collected from my garden. They are disturbing very much. They are eating up all the plants, the leaves here, and this is crawling over my pots and containers. Also, lots of slugs and snails are in my pots. And today, in today's video, I'll be telling you how to control them. I'll be telling you 6 remedies of this organic way in this, and one will be the chemical one. And you see, one thing I tell you, whenever there is any heavy water or wet conditions, there will be much slugs in your garden. So keep the garden as much as dried so that there will be very few in number. And this is some of the tips I'll be telling you. And whatever thing you can suit your remedies, you can apply this one. And finally, I'll tell you some of this chemical control also. But you have to keep your garden very dry, and you have to water it in the morning time. Don't water in the evening time because they come in the evening time and they disturb. First thing I'll tell you, the sprinkle table salt or Epsom salt. Table salt is the sodium chloride we use in this kitchen, and sprinkle around your pots or containers. Sprinkle little bit of crystals of this sodium chloride, and whenever the creatures crawl over this, they cut their skins, and as a result, the many of these snails and slugs get killed. And if you are applying in pots, you can apply magnesium sulfate. This is called Epsom salt. This is easily available in the chemist shop and medicine shop, and you can apply half teaspoonful of this magnesium sulfate in each container or pot. Sprinkle them over the pot in the soil, and there will be a micronutrient. Magnesium and sulfur will be micronutrient for the plants also. They will help in growth of the plants. These are, whenever they come across this, they penetrate the skins of these creatures, and as a result, finally eventually they get died, and they control all your slugs and snails in your garden. The second thing I'll tell you, make a trap for snails and slugs. This is easy making traps from the kitchen items only, and for that you have to take a small amount of sugar or jaggery in a bowl, and apply some water, mix a solution of this jaggery or sugar, and even if you can get some other things also, some. And this is the yeast powder. You can get it in any of these departmental stores. This yeast powder, this is used for fermentation processes, and mostly bakery people use it. And these are easily available in the grocery shops. So you can make a solution and just mix it, and in a couple of hours they will be fermented, and they will emit some smell or scent. And this smell, they attract the slugs and snails. They bury them in your garden just in the plain. Whenever they get the smell, they come here and they dip here, and they get drowned, and eventually these all these slugs and snails are trapped, and they get died. So this is a very good solution. You can attract, make a bait or trap for these slugs and snails, making for this concoct of this sugar solution or jaggery solution mixed with some yeast powder, and they will be very good control for any of your slugs and snails, and they will come. Third one I'll tell you, you can apply seaweed extract. Seaweed extract is kelp, or this is the some algae collected from the seas, and there are some active ingredients are collected, and they are dried and make some powder form or some crystal form. They are easily available in the online, or basically in different agricultural shops, or some of these nurseries you can easily get. And that basically they are applied for these micronutrients, and they get lots of micronutrients for the plant. They are used as fertilizer. So you can apply. This is the, you can see in the screen, these are the seaweed extract available in the market. You can buy online. So just sprinkle them over the pots a little bit, around half teaspoonful of this seaweed extract in each pot, and they don't like at all, and they run away instantly from their garden if you apply the seaweed extract easy. So this is one you must apply. Fourth one I'll tell you, diatomaceous earth. This is also a very good gardening material. This is insect repellent and insect killer material. This is a powdery form. They are also extracted from the sea. Some minute creatures are there in the sea, and this is the earth. This is a diatomaceous earth. They don't like at all. Whenever you sprinkle in your garden a little bit diatomaceous earth, two types of diatomaceous earth are available in the market: pool grade and food grade. You have to take this food grade and sprinkle them in the garden, or make a round around your plant, and none of your slugs or snails will come in contact with any of your plant, and they will not be able to eat up your plants. And in the same time, no insect will come in near or near, and the plants will not be get eaten. So this is the diatomaceous earth. You can buy it online or offline from a nursery, easily available, and they are very nice. The fifth one, I'll tell you, the coffee grounds. Coffee grounds, many people prepare coffee in their raw coffee in their home, and coffee grounds are waste. Coffee grounds are prepared, just get it dried and then sprinkle over the plants and this garden or on the soil. And the snails and slugs don't like at all the caffeine content in this, and they deter all these plants. This is a very beautiful repellent for slugs and snails in your garden. For all these coffee grounds you sprinkle, and eventually they will work as a fertilizer for your plants, slow release fertilizers of plants, and at the same time they will deter all your slugs and snails from your garden. So you have to apply coffee ground easily. The sixth item I tell you, this is the best control for this garlic and coffee powder. So garlic is a Allium sativum, and this is contains diallyl sulfonate, that is allicin, and diallyl sulfide is DS. This collect some of these cloves and pastel it properly, and after pasteling it, you make a as such as good as a paste here. And after making a paste, and then apply some coffee powder. This is the instant coffee, easily you can get in from any of the grocery store. Take some of this and add some little bit of this coffee powder and this allicin. This is garlic, and this coffee mixture powder will make a beautiful deterrent for your all your slugs and snails in your garden. You can apply in any plant, and you can spray on the plant's leaves also, because they deter your all your slugs and snails, and they will be nice for your plants. So just make a mixture. If you want to spray, you can spray it also. I am telling you how to make a spray here. Just take a little bit, half or 1 liter of water, apply some of this coffee powder, and then take a little bit of this garlic paste here, and in a bowl apply some water. And after applying water, just mix it properly, and just add only the water, so you can strain it out properly and apply water, and make sure this no fibrous material is going inside your sprayer, or they may block your sprayer nozzle. So this is the process. Now I am covering it full, and after leading the properly, and you can make a sprayer. You can spray all the plants and all parts of the plants. You can easily spray this. This is the easiest thing and the best thing for deterring all your slugs and snails in your garden. And this is the best thing for deterring all your, and they are not going to kill the slugs and snails. They will deter, and all the slugs and snails will run away from their garden. So this is the 6 items. All are organic, and most of these are available in your kitchens, and you can apply this garlic and this powder of coffee, and coffee powder contains caffeine, and caffeine deters all your slugs and snails, as well as allicin deter all your slugs and snails. These two mixtures are very nice, and you can apply today, and let me know in my comments box how things are doing for your slugs and snails control in your garden. And if at all these are not working at all, and you are very much disturbed with lots of things, then you can apply chemical metaldehyde. This metaldehyde is a chemical compound. This is the chemical structure, chemical formula of metaldehyde. This is the best chemical for controlling. Just sprinkle over. This is the bluish some crystal form. You can get it from any of the store, but in many countries they are banned. But if this is is available in your country. You can apply sprinkle over your garden this metal diode, and they are 100% control. No any of these slugs or snails, they won't remain any of the slugs and snails in your garden. So this is the best thing, and in this such 7 teams you can control these slugs and snails. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please like and share, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give you a lot about garden tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us.